So today we are moving to a new condo. We are here in Bangkok, Thailand, and we have been here for a month. We're going to a new place for another month. Kind of excited to switch up our space. A month in one place is, we don't often stay longer than that in one place, once in a while, but yeah, we're ready to move and we're ready for a new view, I guess.
A little bit smaller.
Yeah,
see how it works for us.
It's a smaller unit, it's less expensive, which is awesome, of course. This unit had a second bedroom, which we never really use. We only use it for storage to
Drying clothes.
And drying clothes. Because a lot of places here don't have dryers, so we wash our clothes and then hang them up to dry inside, like most people here.
Yeah.
And we just use it for luggage storage, clothes storage. It's nice to have that extra space when we have it, but we don't like to pay extra for just to have that extra space. It's not totally necessary.
Cross your fingers, there's a firm bed.
Firm as concrete. Well, you know. Okay, we are out of here. Scott is already down with most of our luggage, and because we have so much stuff this time, because we're not getting on an airplane, we're just switching condos. We take our extra food and stuff like that, and supplies. Just gotta grab my backpack. We are officially out of here. Goodbye. Petchuberry Street Condo. Petchuberry Street is what that is. It's the street that we've been staying on for a month. Okay, here's all of our stuff. It's a lot of crap. Now we gotta call a car. Grab car, we're opting for a bigger one. SUV, which is 312 baht, which is like $10. 3 minutes. Whoa. It's a Mitsubishi, and there he is. Super heavy. No problem. There's a coffee shop right here. We never knew that, the backside of our building. We've never been on the backside of this building. Been here for a month and never came back here. Some tight streets going to our new place, that's for sure. Make walking really fun.
Next time you can wear the register at here นะคะ เดี๋ยวเราสักครู่กัน
Okay. They're making our driver move his car before we can get our luggage out. Oh, they just wanted him over here as well? Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate it. Get you a good tip on that app, okay? Thank you. Cab. Pull that big bag in. Let's see, where are we? I think we're gonna need. Okay, here we are. Okay, it's much smaller. Wowee, okay. Oh wow, this is very compact. Holy. Wowee. Okay. This is smaller than our old Bangkok apartment. When we were 2 years ago even, this is smaller, I think. Okay. Switching cameras. All right, so we just arrived in our new unit. And it's small. I can almost touch the other side. I guess this will be your work area, sitting area to watch some TV. Balcony, okay, yeah, this is gonna work. It's small, but that is really all we need. Okay, dishes in the drain thing. Oh, good, okay, there's plenty of utensils. A lot of times there's not. Sometimes you'll get like one fork. These Airbnbs. Oh, geez, lots of pots and pans. Okay, yeah, this is gonna be okay. That open? That doesn't open. That's weird. A mixer. Bedroom. Oh, it's actually bigger than I thought. Looks like a queen size bed. Another table over here. Not a balcony. Hi. Whoa, I'm tripping on our stuff. Wardrobe. Very standard. We have your makeup table here, so you can do your face, and then I can do my face. Oh, it's a pass-through bathroom. Okay.
Yeah.
It's fine, yeah. This is good. Why are there two sinks?
I think there. Just close this one.
Yeah. I mean, it's actually a nice place.
Yeah.
The quality seems like it's pretty good. And there's a washer. And storage. Shoes. Okay, yeah. I'm pleased. What do you think? Yeah. First impression is it's gonna be just fine. This reminds me of. Is it hard?
It's so hard.
Oh, good. Right on.
God.
Love a hard bed. Oh yeah, that's great. Perfect. It's so much better for our backs. So this place kind of reminds me of the other Bangkok apartment that we were in 2 years ago that we only stayed in for a few days because a fire broke out in the building. Fire! There's a fire in the building.
Oh my god!
Yeah, come this way.
And long story short, we had to leave. We did, but this kind of reminds me of that. It's kind of the same type of finishes. Almost the same size too. That was pretty small too. But I think this is a bit smaller. So you're all moved in and relaxed. Oh, the gym and pool. Yeah, let's go do that. Okay, now why am I zoomed in? Jeez, I'm really zoomed in. Okay, I just realized this camera was zoomed in, so I might want to do that walkthrough again. Anyway, we're gonna go find the gym and the pool in our new building. Okay. One machine, 7 dumbbells, 1 bench, a couple ellipticals, or a couple of treadmills, 1 elliptical, 1 bike, 1 sneezer. What do you think?
I think we can make it work.
Yeah. Wonder if it gets much use. Now let's go check out the pool. There's the canal right there. The pool. It's a helipad. You land your helicopter here, babe. Okay, so we're back in our condo, and I just have to show you guys this because this is extremely rare in Thailand. We have hot water in the bathroom sink. I know it's the little things. And even in this other sink in the bathroom, there's also hot water. There is, however, no hot water in the kitchen, which is very standard in Thailand. But yeah, we're happy to have hot water. We can wash our hands with hot water. It's amazing. And of course, shower. I just had to share that because, you know, it's very rare to have hot water like that in a bathroom in Thailand.
And I'm still doing the bed test.
How's it going? How's that test?
So far, so good.
How are the results?
I need maybe 45 minutes
okay.
before the results are in.
You got it. And then look, there is a even this. I can't make this camera spin around. Even though this is a really tiny place, there is an AC unit in the bedroom and out there in the living room.
What's the view?
What's the view like? Let's go look. All right. Patio, AC units. But yeah, it's kind of private. I mean, we don't have any immediate like neighbors looking straight in on us. Just that giant building right there. But it's kind of far away. And that's gonna be an issue. Well, not an issue. We'll live with it, but Not going to be as silent as we had thought, but no big deal. Okay, and as I do in any new place we check into, test out the Wi-Fi connection to make sure it's going to work for us. So let's give this a go. I'm going to try Ookla. 239 and upload. Hopefully this is good because we do a lot of big uploads. Oh yeah, it's good. Good enough. It's faster than the last place. It's like 5 times faster than the last place, I think. That's great. About 20 up. 19 or 20 up. Yeah, so that'll work. We do a lot of big uploads and downloads sometimes. So yeah, it's totally gonna work. Because you never know in Bangkok. It's been our experience that it's always there, but it's not always the fastest. Probably because there's just so many people. I don't know. In a mega city like this. So we'll see how it actually pans out.
It's gonna pan out great. And by the way, I'm partially through the bed test. Things are going very smooth. I expect really good results.
Okay. We'll expect to see a report at the end of your test.